Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Chaos Erupts During Routine Gas Station Call by Midwest Safety.
Watch what this man in a gas station store does while police are investigating a situation.
What are you about to do?
Before that happens, the case officers are investigating also goes
Ooh, this finna be a good one, y'all.
haywire.
Hey, what's up, man? I gotta figure out what's going on, dude. These motherfuckers are trying to play me like I'm some kind of...
He's being very disrespectful.
Do you have a driver's license on you?
Yeah, bro, I ain't playing these games, though.
Look at, I got you not playing games, but I got called to a disturbance,
Come on,
okay?
bro. What are we doing here?
I'm gonna give you
Oh.
your chance to tell me what happened, but I need to figure out what they're telling me first. You get what I'm
She's
saying?
drunk as fuck. Going in and acting crazy.
Look, do you have any weapons on you?
No, bro, come on.
Okay, turn around. Actually, don't.
Come on, bro. Don't be touching me. Don't be touching me. Don't be touching me.
I'm just patting you down.
I'll body the fuck out of both of you. This is what you're doing. This is what they're doing. This is what they do.
You would have just been calm.
I told you you could search me, bro. What do I gotta hide?
Tensing up, right?
No, because this dude came over here like a big guy. My grandfather would have y'all up right now, bro.
What? Why would you say that?
Stop touching me, boy.
Is he part of the mob?
Don't touch me, little ass boy. You feel like that's why you're crazy.
Crazy family member shows up as, oh, God. What? He drunk.
Who's the girl? Are you the girlfriend?
Yeah, she is.
Do you want to explain what happened? Or do you want to come over here for a second, actually? All right, so who's this? Is this your boyfriend? Like,
Yeah.
What happened tonight?
Yeah, boy. I feel so bad because his mom and his brother are in here now because they already,
That's his mom and his brother?
yeah, they came. Like literally across the street.
Hold on, was that his brother that was getting socked out with the sneak
I
shot?
jumped out of the car and I was like, I don't feel comfortable.
Who was driving?
Angry. Him.
Okay, so you guys left in his car, and then what happened?
That's the
on
guy
way?
that
Where were you
sucker
going
punched the
after
other guy
you
for no
was-
reason. His brother.
Okay,
Right here.
so on the way, what happened before you got home?
Just being very, very, very aggressive. I didn't feel comfortable. I ran in here. His mom and his brother showed up and I was like, I'm so sorry.
So what happened in the car? Did you just, as he was driving, you just ran out of the car and ran
He
in
just
here?
got, he
hit
smashed
you
my
or
phone. My phone's not working.
Okay, when did he do this? Was it?
As
I bet he sitting right there in the cop car like, I know this bitch ain't.
as we got out of the car, like he threw my phone. They tried to plug it in for me, but
So did he threaten you at all? Other than breaking your phone, did he like strike you or?
not like vocal threatening, but like being crazy.
But he threw the. Where did he throw the phone? It was outside.
Yeah.
Do you want to put that in a written statement or no?
I honestly feel really bad for him because I feel like he has a lot of like mental things going on. I love his family. I don't want to be that person.
Okay. Do you want to just hang on?
Oh, no, right is right and wrong is wrong, baby. Just because somebody got mental don't mean they don't know what they doing. They just using that as an excuse. Because if you ain't that in control of it, you need to be on medicine.
On a second, because I just gotta figure out what's going on with him, and then we'll let you know. Okay. All right. I know you told him what happened, but just from in your guys' perspective, what did you guys see?
She came in crying, he chased her in.
She was asking us to call 911 from off the road.
Oh, damn.
Trying to get her not to. She said she doesn't feel safe, she doesn't feel comfortable. So I ended up taking her into the back, and he was trying to
He's
go
like, you don't
past.
know who I am, blah, blah, blah.
Did he break something in here?
The door, you can see it's off, and it doesn't push open. It's stuck.
Free snacks.
One of you guys just mind doing a statement just on what you saw,
Yeah.
and then if you guys want to have him trespass from here, I don't know if the manager wants to do that.
Yeah,
but
no,
you-
he
you
will,
can have
because
her
he
do that.
damaged
So-
property.
So who's the manager on right now?
Well, Kenny's coming right now. So.
Who is that guy in the hoodie they keep putting the arrow on?
Yeah.
All your stuff right now is at his place. Do you need to go back there for anything?
Like, my eye is on him now.
Do you
Yeah.
have a key?
No, his mom's right here. That's her house.
Okay, she lives there. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. It's cool if she goes back to the house and grabs whatever she needs for the night. Okay. All right. Because what's gonna happen is there's gonna be no contact order between you guys. So
I know.
whatever you need to get, I will just get it tonight. So you don't have to go back.
Thank you.
Okay. What's a good contact number for you?
Have a good night.
Sorry.
If you need anything else, call us. Okay.
He left?
And it doesn't even like this.
So how is he implicated in the video earlier?
Because you can push even.
Oh, shit.
So it's just jammed.
He's getting arrested anyway. I'm gonna document this. If it ends up being like damage, he can be held accountable. Right now, I can't charge him with vandalism.
Yeah.
I think it's just behind a hinge is what it
Bro is definitely on some bullshit.
His
is. It's
name.
behind the hinge. I don't think it's broken.
I'll give you his name if they want to do it.
Uh-oh, it's coming up.
Just moved in with them like a few weeks ago.
It's coming up. He about to do it. Oh! Oh! Right there with the cops. Oh, boy, your ass going to jail. I think he low-key was trying to go, though. He probably was homeless.
What are you doing?
What the hell?
What are you doing, bro? You stole my stuff.
What? Give me your hand.
Who the hell are you? Who is that?
Wasn't he just outside?
Damn, mama, both her sons just going crazy. One getting and putting in the police car, and the other one getting knocked out.
No idea who that man
He
is.
stole my stuff. I lost all my stuff. That's it right there.
You didn't do anything.
What do you mean?
He's a regular customer.
He came down and said that before he got here.
He just got ridiculous.
I apologize. Really? I'm sorry.
Hey, y'all, it gets better, though. The dad comes, and he is pissed.
Really? You sold something. You literally just robbed me. Oh.
You gotta be a strong son of a gun to break that.
What are you doing? What is your name? All right. I'm sorry.
Dumbass.
Why did you assault that person?
He threatened me and stole my stuff earlier today.
How do you know who he is?
Because he was walking by me earlier when I had my stuff on the ground.
He
I went to
wasn't
go
walking by anyone.
earlier today. He was.
Oh, you was stealing, though.
What the f? You gotta be fucking stupid. There's two cops outside and you're in there causing a fucking fight. You think we feel like dealing with this right now?
I apologize. Sorry.
You have ID in any of that shit you just pulled out of your pocket?
No, everything I had was stolen.
You said you did it when he was
Obviously.
earlier today. Yeah, so he just walked by you and said, "Hey, I stole your stuff."
Huh?
That's what
What
he
I was saying. He was sitting.
They don't even want to hear nothing he got to
What's your
say.
name? What's your name?
Mike.
Mike.
Yeah.
Is it Michael?
Yes.
Are you homeless right now? Where do you live at?
It was actually.
All right.
Yes, I'm homeless. Sorry, I just got out the ACI.
I told y'all he was just looking for somewhere warm to stay, but it'd be cold enough.
You sound like you're drunk.
Very.
5. Let me get a rescue over here.
He's still on the floor?
Bud. You okay, bud? All right.
Boy, no, you is not. He just knocked you into another dimension.
No, just don't have the girlfriend come here, please. We don't need no more scuffles. You want to sit up? Yeah. Let's have a seat right here, bud.
Keep that ice.
Where you hurt? Is the blood just coming from your...
Shit, his face, his hair, his neck, his ear.
Just put some pressure. Do you know
Everywhere.
that guy?
Grab some more tissue.
You've ever seen that guy ever?
Clean tissue.
I helped him get in charge. I got hit. I don't know.
Here.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Some random
So,
dude. Oh, God.
if you guys don't mind just backing up a little bit, just because we're gonna have a rescue come, all right?
You want to pursue charges on the person that hit you?
Hell yeah.
Hey, Sergeant, hear me? So at the freaking gas station across from AAA, got one in custody
This gas station is like a GTA server, bro.
for domestic disorderly, domestic vandalism, probably just disorderly. And then
It gets crazier though, y'all. It gets crazier.
Was in the store, nothing to do with this. Decides to just start punching a guy. So we have him in custody for it's at least going to be disorderly. I'm assuming probably assault too. So yeah, his ass. Yeah, I'm gonna just his ass over here for a minute. Dude, shut the up! I can't breathe. Why do you think they're tight? Why do you think they're tight? Bro, look, face that way. I can't breathe. Face that way. I can't breathe. Okay, I can't breathe. Why is this? Why do you think they're tight? Bro, look, face that way.
There goes the dad right there. It's about to go up another notch.
Okay. Can I calm him down? Let me calm him down. All right, I'll take care. My other son get hit by a bullet. Then my son gets shot.
No, he's
Nah, a bullet.
Breathe, bro. Then my son get hit.
I just arrived on scene.
Please, I don't care about him. I'm worried about my other son.
I just arrived on scene.
They know who I am.
Okay, but you're running on me like I'm fucking maniac, so...
No, because someone said my son got shot.
Exactly what is in the air with this gas station, bro?
Please take him on, bro.
And the way he got hit, he looked like he got shot.
Bro, I can't feel.
He's being a fucking lunatic.
Can I talk to him?
No, you can't talk.
Please.
He's being a lunatic.
Can I talk? You know, you respect
I
me,
know
please.
you. You're not talking to him right now because he's being a fucking asshole.
Punch him in his fucking mouth.
Okay, back up. Relax. Just back up.
Punch him in his fucking mouth.
Just go over there, okay? Where's your car? Is that your car?
No. How about did my son get shot?
No, he did not get shot.
What happened to Adam? They said
Why you ain't just go in there and look instead of asking the cops?
he got hit.
Can you just go sit in your car for a while? I'll let you know what's going on, all right? If your son was just calm with us, none of this would have been going on right now. He's fine. He's not hurt. Where's your car?
No, my other son. Not him.
Who's your other son?
They said my other son got hit.
There is a kid in there that got punched in the face, but he's fine. He's not. He's fine.
Who punched him? You know who I'm with. Dude, it's fine. He's good. He's fine.
I told y'all his dad is part of the mob.
Who punched?
Hey, come on. We're not doing all that right now.
Come on, tough guy.
There's so many guys down here. Hey, just relax. No, there'll be so many guys down here.
I ain't gonna lie to you. If I was this dad, though, I would be pissed. I know I got one dumbass over here in the cop car. We know he's stupid, but the other one, just for no reason. Oh yeah, I would have set the world on fire.
Go in your house. Punch my son.
Well, not the world, just the side of town that I live on.
Who punched my son?
Locked up. Don't worry about it.
Who punched him?
We have him locked up. I don't even know the kid's name. Don't worry about it. Okay?
No, it ain't all right.
He's under arrest.
Come over here.
Who punched my son? You can arrest me. Who punched? He knows me. Who punched my fucking
He's
son?
locked up. I told you that. He's locked up.
Oh, he's fucking more than locked
You
up.
need to just calm down.
No, I ain't calm down. Arrest me.
Oh my God.
His whole family is nuts, and I like it. What's
I'm gonna
this?
tell everybody right here who punched my fucking
Cran, Ohio. Where's Cran at? Can somebody tell me what Cran is?
son.
We
I don't
arrested
give
the
a
guy.
This is Massachusetts.
you do with that son.
That's fine.
Take him the
Okay.
fuck away.
You calm down.
Who
We locked
punched
the
my
guy
son?
up. We locked him up.
I want to know who it is.
We locked him up.
We have him in custody.
I want to know who it is.
We have him in custody.
He's done. You guys know me.
He's like a homeless guy.
I don't give a f who he is.
Look, Al, we don't need any more issues over here, okay?
Al. His name is Al. That says a lot.
Yeah, we're just trying to do our job.
I'll
You
make
know
a
that.
phone call. You 50 guys
Look,
here.
you know we're
I
trying
swear
to do
to
our
God,
job.
there'll be
That's it.
50 fucking
Okay,
guys.
that's fine, man. Dude, go wait in your car.
It is enough people there already.
Causing more of a fucking arrest me.
Go wait in your car.
Arrest me.
Oh, I'm about to fucking arrest him.
Go in the car.
Al, there's no need.
I don't know if you want to do that. He part of the mob.
We're handling it, Al. We're handling it.
Go in the car.
He's arrested! So we're here for a disturbance with his other son, who I locked up for domestic. As we're dealing with him, apparently this other guy just goes in and punches his other son that I guess is in there, completely separate from this. So we're dealing with this. This guy's putting up the struggle. We get him in the car. As we're dealing with the people from the store, we see this disturbance inside. We go lock him up, get back in there, realize the guy's hurt. So call a rescue for him.
Which is his other son. And we have his son in custody.
Yeah. This guy's causing an issue.
And I'm just gonna get him out of here now.
Michael.
Yes.
Are you gonna take him out of there while the dad is out there? Oh, y'all bold. Y'all want him to see him.
Where'd you cold cut that kid from?
I was sitting up the street earlier, and when I was, he was at the same place. We were sitting waiting for the bus, and the guy that was on the side of me said he was the one that took my bag and stuff and
That's
walked
completely
away.
false. You just made that all up.
No, I really didn't.
Yeah, you just did. Because they all said that he's a regular here, then they don't even know who you are. And this guy's never sat at a bus stop in his life. He lived across the street while we had to sit on a bus. You're completely full of shit. You just decided to fucking clock him? Makes no sense.
Why would you do that when there's all cops in the parking lot?
Instead of, if he did steal, tell a cop. What's the deal?
He wanted somewhere to stay for the night. He was tired of sleeping on the street. At least he get 3 hots and a cot in jail.
Where you from?
That's why we already know that.
I'm homeless. I just got on the ACI the other day. Barely had anything left.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, he's a homeless drunk guy. Did you want to go back to jail? Is that why you did that?
Yeah.
Well, I used to work in jail, and people used to try to go back to jail when they have no other options.
No, not at all.
All right.
The original first suspect involved in the domestic situation was charged with his first offense of domestic violence by damaging or obstructing a telephone, his first offense of domestic violence with vandalism, his first offense of domestic violence with disorderly conduct, vandalism, resisting arrest, and obstructing. He took a plea deal, pleading no contest to domestic violence with vandalism, and vandalism while all other charges were dismissed. He was ordered to participate in domestic abuse counseling and to pay restitution for the victim's phone. The suspect, who randomly punched the other suspect's brother, was charged with simple assault and/or battery and disorderly conduct. He took a plea deal, pleading no contest to simple assault and/or battery, while the disorderly conduct charge was dismissed. He was sentenced to 45 days in jail,
All you gotta do is no contest, say less.
320 days of license suspension, and 320 days of probation.
Some people out here don't want a hotel room.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. This was a hectic video. It looked like something off a GTA server. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that share and comment as well, as it helps my channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Oh, we out. Bye.